So here we're going to prove the formula for area of a right triangle. So first we need to draw ourselves a right triangle here, right? The right triangle is denoted by this square in the corner. That's how we know that it is a right triangle. And we'll say that the length of this leg we'll call A. The length of this leg we'll call B. And the length of this hypotenuse here we'll call C. Alright. So what do we know already? We know the area of a rectangle is base times height. Right, base times height. So how can we use that to our advantage? How can we use that to help us find the area, this area here? Well, what we can do is we can say this is a point, and we can take this and reflect the triangle over the hypotenuse here, and we can make another triangle, a pretend triangle. Now, how do we find the area of this whole thing? Well, it's just base times height, right? So it's just A times B. So in this case, it would be A times B. But that doesn't give us the triangle. It gives us two triangles or a rectangle there. So how do we make it just this triangle? Well, these two are the exact same triangle. This one's just flipped over here. So if we take the quantity of this rectangle here and divide it by 2, then that'll give you the area of this triangle here, of the right triangle. Goes 1/2 base times height, and that's the same as saying base times height over 2, right? Divided by 2, because base times height divided by 1/2 would equal that, or base times height multiplied by 1/2 would equal that, because you would multiply across the top, and base times height times 1 is, well, B and H times 1 is B and H over 2, but in terms of our triangle right here, this would actually be A and B. 1/2 A and B, or A and B over 2. But this is going to be your general formula. And again, that's just because we took this point here and we just reflected it over the hypotenuse there, and we made another triangle, calculate the area of this whole rectangle here that made, and divided by 2, because I'd take away this triangle, the area of this triangle would just give us this area. So that's how we got that.